Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing out of iCloud on the device, then open the App Store to create a fresh Apple ID. Make sure you have a valid email and phone ready for verification codes. When prompted for payment, choose none so no iCloud or payment method is required. Once done, verify your email and complete any two-factor prompts. This keeps the App Store account active while leaving iCloud services disabled, which is the only way to use the App Store without linking iCloud. Now sign into the App Store with that new Apple ID and avoid signing into iCloud in settings. You want the App Store credentials active, but all iCloud toggles off. This separates app purchases from cloud syncing. Make sure payment is set to none and your billing address fields are filled if required. Once configured, test by downloading a free app. The App Store will prompt for authentication, but not force iCloud sign-in. If you get stuck, recheck verification and device sign out state. Finish by downloading and updating apps normally. You can use the App Store independently while iCloud stays off. If the payment none option does not appear, create the Apple ID on a computer via iTunes or Appleid. Apple.com and then sign into the device's App Store. If downloads fail, sign out of the App Store, restart the device, reset network settings if necessary, and sign back in. This single troubleshooting step, full sign out and restart, resolves most sync or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.